Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I wanted to give you a tip on what you could purchase someone that you love for a present, or you can also purchase it for yourself so that you can save a little bit of money now. And I'm talking about the Viktoria kit. It comes with 4 of their top selling products, 4 products that really make a difference on your face, and they're all full size and they're all in this kit here. So I wanted to go over that with you and tell you what's in there. You know, I've been selling Viktoria for way over 10 years. I attribute my youthful skin to these products. And they're peptides, you know, they grow their own peptides in their own laboratory. So you get more peptides in your products than you will with most products that you use. You get more peptides and they're a little bit stronger and they really work and make a big difference. Peptides are one of my very favorite ingredients versus so many other great ingredients that you hear out there. But peptides, you know what they do? They to me, my interpretation is they flatten the wrinkle. You can have your wrinkle there, you put these on and slowly the wrinkle just flattens out and you don't see it. Doesn't mean it disappeared or whatever, but during the time you use the products, you don't see them. It takes about, I would say, a good 3 months to get to that point, which that's how long it took me. But after that, I just can't say enough about how your skin will look. And I want to have that for you too. And whoever you give this gift to is going to be so thankful to you for that also. So the first one I'm going to talk about here is the Pepti Lift. And this helps lift the skin. You know, it just gives you that nice lift that we all need because as we age, you know, our face starts drooping a little bit. So you want to get the Pepti Lift. Then they have the Pepti Tone, which tones the skin. And, you know, as we age, especially for me, and I see a lot of other women, right in here, we start losing this tone and it gets those little light wrinkles in here. It just doesn't look firm like you want it to. And, you know, we put on our makeup and try to cover it up a little bit, but it's not enough. You need this. So this is toning the skin. And then my very favorite eye serum, the Pepti Eye Serum. This is so remarkable. It has a great dispenser on it and with a little roller ball. And when you put it on under the eye and on the crow's feet and on the lid. I even go up on my eyebrow, you know, because all this area is susceptible to wrinkles. So you want to use this here twice a day, and your eyes, they just get really smooth, you know, no wrinkles. It takes for about 3 months to really get to that point. I want to stress that. It doesn't happen overnight, but you can use them twice a day and you're going to be able to get the good results too. With, you don't have, you know, no wrinkles in here. I'm proud of that, you know, because I'm not that young. As I say in all my videos, I'm not that young. So I just highly recommend it. I can't put enough highlies in there because it's that good. And it's for men too. Men, if you use nothing else, use this, men, because this makes your eyes look really good. And those wrinkles will just soften and you'll look so good. And if for the women and your husband, buy this for him. He'll be so thankful to you for giving it to him. And the Rejuvenator. They come in 3 variations, the mild, the medium, and the ultra. They're very strong peptides. This is pretty much the strongest one of them all. And you would use this on top of the other ones when you're finished with it. And it evens the skin tone. It does so many things. Evens the skin tones, firms, tones. It just gives the skin what it needs. And this could well be one of their very best products in their whole collection. And because it does so much. You want to start with the mild. If you've never used it before, I would highly recommend the mild. And if your skin's used to a little bit stronger, you could start with a medium. And then the ultra, I would save that for people that have skin that could take that, or you want to work your way up to that because it's a little bit stronger. But it makes such a nice difference. I know when I don't use this, and then I go back to it, you know, because I'm always busy trying out different things. And if I don't use this, I can see such a difference. And I think, why did I stop using that for like the last week while I was doing something else? So all these 4 products here are in this box. And when you buy a kit, you're saving. If you bought these 4 products individually, if you buy a kit, you're saving money because they give you a better deal on it just because they're in the kit form. So you want to think about that. So I highly recommend it, and I put the link down below, and so you know where to get it. And I like I said, I've sold these for well over 10 years. I know these products so well. I know what they all do, and I know what they could do for you. And I love to talk to my clients and suggest products for your skin. Because I know what works. I know what works for me. I know what will work for you. And if you have any questions, call me on my toll-free number, or you can send me an email. And I'm just really happy to get back to you and, give you some suggestions and, make you comfortable with it, whatever products that you decide to buy for yourself. And I'm always available to you. I'm real easy to reach at my toll-free number or, again, by email. And I will get back to you. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.